it's Quinn from CINEGEARS. Today I got another new open box video for you. I got our new dual axis motion control head here. Got the full system right here. It's got integrated SDI cables built right in, so you got nice ins and outs there. Got a plate for mounting your camera on. Some included cables for connecting up to your Pegasus cable cam. There's a 6-pin for connecting to the 8-axis controller. And there's also a 2-pin for connecting to the power out from that. We got our rods here that thread on. And the lens support system right here. We also have 2 little antennas included. We also have included here a nice AC adapter, so you can charge it up or you can plug it into the wall and run it all day. And that's everything included in this kit. Thank you very much for watching our open box video. Hope you have a good rest of your day. See you in the next one.